Did you know a single photograph can hide 100 invisible steps? That Easter picture of a beautiful black family in their Sunday best? For most families, it's a quick outfit change and a drive to church. For this family, it started the night before, laying out the Easter clothes in a specific order, checking the G-tube site, prepping the sensory layers underneath the dress shirt so the fabric wouldn't send everything sideways before they even reached the car. Morning came early. The braces went on first, then the compression, then the waiting, the reading of every signal his body was giving, because he tells you things, just not always with words. There were 3 outfit attempts, one meltdown that passed like a storm and left everyone breathing again. A father gripping the steering wheel saying a quiet prayer at a red light, and then they walked into that church, dressed, regulated, together, stunning. That photo doesn't show the marathon. It shows what the marathon was for. That's the whole point.